Welcome to Season 4 of the Purpose Chasers podcast. This season, we're skipping the surface level fluff and asking every guest one brutal foundational question. What keeps you chasing your purpose? Do us a favor and support the movement if you got value from this video or any others. Share this out with someone who needs to hear it today. Hit that like button and subscribe to join the community of real purpose chasers. Let's get after it.
Keith from Sundanced Wood here. What keeps me chasing my purpose? Honestly, it's watching an idea that started as a simple sketch come to life in wood. There's something incredibly rewarding about taking a vision from paper and turning it into something real that will outlast me. It's also the trust that people place in me, whether it's a sign that represents someone's business or a piece of artwork that's going to hang in their home. Being chosen to create something that meaningful is a true honor. That kind of trust keeps me humble, and it's something I never take for granted. And at the end of the day, I'm just an artist. I'm a creature of habit. I wake up thinking about creating, and I go to bed thinking about the next piece. It's simply who I am.